Hi, in this training you will be using the method kit to refer to. This is a new version of the method kit, not the method kit you've probably seen. I'd like to go over the things that are different. This new version reflects some changes that you will see in the next version of the lesson plans and the next version of method. There are three main differences. You won't see a section about CAs. The current CAs are now part of the DT2s since they are semi-guided. That means that for drills like Find Someone Who, we do DT2 correction. This is a change you've already seen in new levels 8 and 9. This means that in the training, when we ask you how we correct CAs, we expect you to answer DT2 correction. Another change about the drills is that DT3 correction is not done anonymously anymore. This is something you've seen in levels 8 and 9 too. The next change is in intro. Currently, the DT1s are dealt with a bit differently in intro compared to the other levels. That change will disappear. The steps of all DT1s will be the same, including an intro. Finally, the new method kit doesn't include information about review units, because teachers won't go over it in method. In summary, there are 4 changes in the new method kit. CAs are now DT2s, DT3s are not anonymous anymore, DT1s in intro are the same as in other levels, and there is no section about the review unit. During the training, you will be using the new method kit. If you become a counselor and the teachers haven't seen the new method kit, you will have to give counseling based on the old method kit.